Hello my honeys, welcome back. So today Izzie come home from like preschool, nursery, whatever you want to call it, fine start, and she was absolutely hanging, but she wasn't in a good mood either. So them together, pair with a toddler, just doesn't go. So I managed to get to sleep. Harper was sleeping as well, but she was very unsettled. Every breath I would make in, she was kind of stirring with it. But I was like, I want to get ready. We needed to nip to Costco because we needed to buy milk. Purely for the fact you get it, you get free for the price of 2 in Costco. So I was like, right, she's napping. Let's risk it for a biscuit and let's get a makeup tutorial done. As you can all see, I'm trying really, really hard to get the content out there. But today we did like a little orange, smoky, glittery ombre eye, something like that. It was cute. It was all done using one palette. Also, the only reason I'm voice noting over is because Facebook doesn't allow you to have any music that isn't their music, and to be quite frank, their music is horrible. It's awful. So I don't really want to put a plain video up with nothing on it, because people are like, oh, there's nothing on ya, man. But it's me doing makeup and me just having a little waffle about what was happening. Izzie did wake up eventually, and she woke up, surprise, surprise, in the most horriblest, foulest mood, bless her. That girl is the definition of waking up on the wrong side of bed. And she did in the morning, and she did from her nap. But she got to bed now. We got home from Costco. She was pretty good going around here, no fairness to her. So, let's talk about the makeup. We did like I said, in a orange smoky eye. My base at the moment, I feel like I've just nailed it, but I'm looking for the perfect setting powder now. Like a pressed powder, and I got loads of ones I really like, don't get me wrong, but I haven't found the one, you know? Like, I found my foundation. It is, I know fairness, this is the one I'm using today, which is a number 7 one. That's a really, really good one. But the Fit Me is, that's got me by the soul, you know? That's my favourite foundation. I haven't found that yet with the powder. So, if you've got any recommendations, you just let me know. Let's talk about the makeup I want to buy. So, the budget will reset now in a couple of weeks. Well, probably about 2 weeks when I get paid. And I'm setting a budget every single month to reinvest myself to be able to do the content. Otherwise, I'm using the same product, which is nothing wrong with that. But I also want to improve myself for myself and for you guys, bring you fresh content. So, what have I got my eye on? I've got my eye on the House of Labs foundation, which is quite a pricey buy. I think I'm going to have to go to Sephora for that. I've got my eye on the Mama Mitchell SpongeBob palette. I really, really want that. It's got some gorgeous colours, and I will say he does the like pressed pigments, like wow. Today I bought on my Kalana. I bought With the Love pressed glitter pigments, I think they are. I've had one before, but didn't really get to use it. So I bought 6 of them because it was a deal where you get a free like magnet palette. I bought a green and pink, a gold, like a champagne. I bought for 6 colours, and I really can't wait to show you them all. So let me know what makeup you want. Do you want like full glam? Do you want like glitter liner looks? I'm really going to put it to the test, but I've mastered my base in this, so I use the foundation. My favourite cream bronzer at the moment is the one from Be Perfect. It's the stick one, but it has seen better days. It is basically melted, but don't fix what's not broken in it, do you know what I mean? I know it's actually broken, but it's not broken. It still works, do you know what I mean? Blusher, double blusher in, because I am a double blusher girl. Like, I really, really love blusher. I was really, really impressed with how this makeup came out. Purely the fact I was sat in the dark. She was starting to disturb me, and I still had to do my lips. I still had to do my my hair. And every time I had to get back up, because I brought my makeup kit into the living room. I'm going to be buying a new desk soon, and a storage, because my makeup is like scattered everywhere. As you can tell, this video is really, really choppy, and you could probably thinking you're giving me whiplash. Sorry. So everything's a bit everywhere. So like my Fit Me foundation wasn't in there. I did think this was going to wake up. This glittery is amazing. So I had to keep getting back up, which was like my feet were like peeling myself off the mat, which was like And then like Izzie was like stirring, but she didn't wake, in all fairness, until Harper woke up, so we didn't do too bad. But let me know of what you thought about this video. Obviously it's a bit long for talking. I have really rambled and talked shit, but you like it or you don't like it, and hopefully you do like it. But this curl hair thing as well is amazing from TikTok shop. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if there's any makeup products you would like me to review. But look at that hair. I am impressed with that hair. Really, really loved the look. Give me a like, give me a share, give me a follow, and please comment. Bye, honeys.